We're trying to make this Mustang as ricer as possible. Right, Matt? That's what you're going for?
Yep.
As ricer as possible. In all reality, he just wants the car to look a little bit lower. And what's a better way to go spend a bunch of money on Roush parts, right? They're all Roush or what? Got the old lip off.
I'll oops you.
No oops or nothing. Here's a new one. You can't really see it too well. It's a little dark. There we go. Just adds quite a bit to the car. Matt's got to drill some holes now. His favorite thing to do. And then we got to work our way around to the rest of the car.
Holy shit.
Front's on, looking really good. Moving over to the side.
Wait, which one's the back?
Huh?
I don't know which one's the back.
Alright, so we're finishing up the side splitter. That's just putting the last bolts in. The rear side splitter. Here's the side skirts. Front lip. All the stuff we put on today was from Roush. Another side skirt. This side rear splitter is on already. So this is all from Roush. That is a Foose.
I'm missing one of these
diffuser. What?
on top.
I think there's more over here, Colin. Here you go. I just threw it at you. And then that's it. This is a new thing too. Matt put on a couple weeks ago. It's GT500 wing. So the car's looking a lot better. Maybe we'll get some beauty shots before he leaves. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. More updates on all these cars here in the future. Hope you enjoyed today's content, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.